In figure below, if PQ is parallel to RS, prove that triangle POQ is similar to triangle SOR. So figure is here now. Given PQ parallel to RS, solution. Given PQ parallel to RS. Therefore, in triangle POQ and triangle SOR, angle P is equal to angle R is not correct. Angle P is equal to angle S, because these two become alternate angles because these two are parallel. Right. Angle QPO, angle QPO is equal to angle RSO, angle RSO. Angle PQO is equal to angle SRO, angle SRO. What is the reason? alternate angles. See, you should never go wrong. For that, I will tell you some hint here. What is that is, when they have asked you to prove triangle POQ is similar to triangle SOR, there should be angle correspondence and there should be side correspondence. Is it right? So angle P must be equal to angle S. First letter corresponds to first letter. Second letter corresponds to second letter. Angle O must be equal to angle O. Please have these arrow marks. And angle Q corresponds to angle R. Therefore, angle Q must be equal to angle R. So in short, what we can say, angle P must be equal to angle S, angle O must be equal to angle O, angle Q must be equal to angle R in two triangles as they are corresponding angles. So now there is no chance of going wrong. If you are making use of three letters to write angle, which angle you are writing, you keep it at the center. If you are writing angle P, then you see this first angle here. It is now QPO. What it is now QPO. P is at the center. In other triangle, you are talking about what? Angle S. So angle S should be at the center. Angle P becomes equal to angle S. And that is what is correspondence here. Angle P should be equal to angle S because they are corresponding angles. So in question itself, half answer will be there. But only you have to use your knowledge. Correspondence meaning you must know. Otherwise, definitely will go wrong. That means angle Q is equal to angle R, or angle PQO is equal to angle SRO. What about these two angles? Angle POQ equal to angle here. This order only have to go POQ SOR. Correspondence. P corresponds to S. So yes, O corresponds to O. O. Q corresponds to R. R. Angle POQ must be equal to angle SOR. Reason is what? Vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Hence, triangle POQ is similar to triangle SOR. SOR. By what? By all three angles are equal here, therefore we have to make use of AAA similarity criterion. AAA similarity criterion. Next we'll take example 5. Observe figure below and then find angle P. Solution. Before that, I have to draw the given figure. Okay. So first we'll write the given figure. I'll show here the two figures. (80°). Here one side is 3√3. (3.8). 60°. 6. B and C are the two sides of the two vertices here, and A is the third vertex, here. Another triangle is RPQ. (6√3). 7.6. And this PQ is given as 12. Here units are not given, centimeter, meter or millimeter, anything. Welcome. When units are not given, you have to assume that in both the triangles, units are same, either centimeter, millimeter or meter or kilometer. In both the triangles, units are same. Don't worry about that. Now, you have to find what is angle P here. This is under question now. You have to see here, you have to see for corresponding vertices. What you have to do, you have to see for corresponding vertices. So consider triangle ABC. When you consider triangle ABC, what comes to your mind? Can anyone tell me what you can find in this triangle? Can you not find angle C? Two angles are given. You can find angle C by using angle sum property of triangles, right? If you have finished, I will go to next page. By using angle sum property of triangles, by using angle sum property of triangles, angle C is equal to 180 degree minus 80 degree plus 60 degree, that is equal to 40 degree. Angle C equal to 40 degree. Is it okay? So now we have found here (40°). Draw other triangle. Draw other triangle, that is PQR. Consider triangle PQR. (7.6) it is, and this is 12. So when such questions are given, first you have to understand that the given two triangles are similar triangles. And when the two given triangles are similar triangles, you have to find the correspondence. You have to find the correspondence. So if you look at the side relations here now, you look at these two triangles, they are side by side, so I am considering these two triangles. PQ is 12, BC is 6. But I cannot say that BC and PQ are corresponding sides. BC may be corresponding to QP also. When you talk about correspondence, you have to be careful. Order becomes very important. BC may be corresponding to PQ or BC may be corresponding to QP. So what is corresponding to what, that we have to see. For that, you look at another side. It is 3.8 here. It is 3.8. And what it is here? 7.6. That means 3.8 and 7.6 sides are corresponding. 6 and 12, two sides are corresponding in two triangles. So where 3.8 and 6 unit length sides are connected, that you have to see. That means AB and BC are connected to B here. The two corresponding sides are connected to vertex B here. Similarly, RQ and PQ are connected to Q. So now vertex B becomes corresponding to vertex Q. So this correspondence you have to find properly. That means B corresponds to Q. Next, one more correspondence you have to find. That you can find easily. This 12 is connected to P. Is it right? Side having 12 units is PQ. One vertex we got already. Another vertex. It is connected to 6 root 3. And where this 6 is connected, because 6 and 12 are corresponding, this 6 is connected to C. That means this C is the vertex where 3 root 3 is also connected. Is it okay? Here the side ratio is equal to 2. Please remember, understand that. 7.6 by 3.8 is 2. 6 root 3 by 3 root 3 is 2. 12 by 6 is also 2. Is also 2. Okay. So now C corresponds to P. C corresponds to P. Okay. Definitely remaining two vertices must be corresponding. That is, A should correspond to R. So we got all the corresponding vertices now. Very simple now. You look at P here. P corresponds to what? Anyone? P corresponds to what? Nobody. P corresponds to C. What is angle C? Angle C is 40 degree. We have found it. So angle P becomes equal to 40 degree. That is what we have to write now. In triangle ABC and in triangle ABC and which triangle name you will write? Can anyone tell me? Looking at this, which triangle you will write? A corresponds to R, B corresponds to Q, so RQP you have to write. RQP, very good. And triangle RQP. See, always we go with standard triangle names PQR, but don't do that here. These are similar triangles, correspondence is important. AB by RQ is equal to BC by QP is equal to AC by RP. What is that equal to? 1 by 2. If you take reciprocal, then it will become 2. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle RQP. By which rule or criterion? By SSS similarity criterion. Angle C must be equal to now angle P. Angle P. Corresponding parts of similar triangles. CPST you have to write. Corresponding parts of similar triangles. Therefore, angle P must be equal to 40 degree. Here to write. From 1 and you number this as 1 here. Angle C equal to 40 degree. I hope you all have written this.